How experts learn anything. The number one method for success. Why most people learn the wrong way. Most people want to learn faster. They want better skills, better results, a better life. But most people fail. Not because they are stupid, not because they lack talent. They fail because they use the wrong method. Experts do not learn like beginners. They do not rely on motivation. They do not wait to feel ready. They do not jump from one idea to another. Experts follow a system. This article will show you that system. In simple words, short sentences, clear ideas. You do not need talent. You do not need luck. You only need the right method. Let us start with a hard truth. Motivation is not enough. Many beginners wait for motivation. They say, I will start tomorrow. I will start when I feel inspired. That day rarely comes. Experts do not wait. They act first. Motivation comes later. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. If you wait to feel ready, you will never start. If you start before you feel ready, you will grow. This is the first difference. Experts focus on process, not dreams. Beginners love big dreams. They imagine success. They imagine praise. They imagine the final result. Experts focus on today, on the next small step, on the process. They ask simple questions. What should I practice today? What can I improve right now? They do not rush. They do not panic. They trust the process. The number one problem with traditional learning. Schools teach us the wrong habits. They teach us to memorize. They teach us to pass tests. But real life is different. In real life, you must perform. You must use what you learn. You must fail and adjust. Experts understand this early. They learn by doing. They do not wait until they know everything. They start with little knowledge. They grow through action. Learning is not about time. Many people believe this myth. If I spend more time, I will master it. Time alone is useless. You can practice the wrong way for years and still stay average. Experts practice with intention, with focus, with feedback. 1 hour of deep practice beats 10 hours of lazy effort. The expert mindset. Experts see learning as a long journey, not a quick win. They accept boredom. They accept frustration. They accept slow progress. Beginners quit when it gets hard. Experts expect it to be hard. This mindset changes everything. Why this method works for anything. This system works for languages, for business, for fitness, for communication, for life skills, because it follows how the human brain truly learns. Simple, repeated, focused. No shortcuts, no magic tricks, only fundamentals. Step 1. Choose one skill. Beginners want everything at once. They want to learn many skills at the same time. Experts choose one. They focus deeply. They remove distractions. If you chase 2 rabbits, you catch none. Choose one skill. Only one. This creates clarity. Step 2. Define success clearly. Most people say, I want to be good at English. This means nothing. Experts define success. I want to hold a 10-minute conversation. I want to understand basic videos. Clear goals guide action. Vague goals create confusion. Step 3. Break the skill into pieces.
Every big skill is made of small parts. Language has listening, speaking, pronunciation, vocabulary. Business has selling, marketing, problem solving. Experts break things down. Then they train each part. This removes fear. Small steps feel possible. Step 4. Practice the hard part first. Beginners avoid difficulty. Experts search for it. They ask, "What is my weakest point?" Then they train it, again and again. Growth lives in discomfort. Step 5. Daily small wins. Experts do not wait for big success. They collect small wins. 10 minutes of focus every day. One small improvement. This builds confidence. This builds momentum. Small steps create big change. Why consistency beats intensity. Many beginners study hard for 1 week, then stop for 1 month. Experts do the opposite. They train lightly, but every day. Consistency trains the brain. It creates habits. Habits remove resistance. The power of identity. Experts do not say, "I am trying to learn." They say, "I am a learner." Identity shapes behavior. If you see yourself as a learner, you act like one. This is powerful. The hidden secret. Experts forgive themselves quickly. They fail. They miss days. They make mistakes. But they return fast. Beginners quit after 1 mistake. Progress is not perfect. It is persistent. A simple daily system. Experts follow simple routines. Same time, same place, same action. No decisions, no excuses. Systems reduce mental effort. Why this changes your life. When you master learning, you master life. You are no longer afraid of new skills. You are no longer stuck. You become adaptable, confident, free. This is true power. Summary of Part 1. Experts succeed because they follow a system, not because they are special. They focus on process. They practice with intention. They stay consistent. In the next part, you will learn the exact system step by step. Simple, practical, proven.
Part 2. The exact system experts use to learn anything. In Part 1, you learned the mindset of experts. Now you will learn their system. This system is simple, but it is not easy. Simple does not mean weak. Simple means clear. Experts win because they do simple things every day. Let us begin. Step 1. Build a daily learning block. Experts do not learn randomly. They learn at the same time every day. Same hour, same place. This trains the brain. Your brain loves patterns. When learning becomes a habit, resistance disappears. You do not need long hours. You need regular time. Start with 15 minutes. Yes, only 15 minutes. 15 minutes every day beats 3 hours once a week. Step 2. Remove all distractions. Experts protect their focus. They silence the phone, they close extra tabs, they sit in silence. Multitasking kills learning. One task, one goal, one session. This is deep learning. Step 3. Learn actively, not passively. Beginners consume. Experts create. Beginners watch videos. Experts practice after watching. Beginners read books. Experts explain ideas in their own words. Active learning builds memory. Ask yourself, can I use this? Can I explain this? If not, you did not learn it yet. Step 4. Use the teach-back method. Experts teach themselves. After learning something new, they explain it, out loud or on paper. Teaching reveals gaps. If you cannot explain it simply,
you do not understand it. This method is powerful and free. Step 5. Practice with clear intention. Experts never practice blindly. Each session has a purpose. Today I improve speed. Tomorrow I improve accuracy. Clear intention creates faster progress. Random practice creates confusion. Step 6. Get fast feedback. Feedback is fuel. Experts look for feedback early. They want correction, not praise. Mistakes are teachers. The faster you see mistakes, the faster you grow. Step 7. Repeat until automatic. Experts repeat basics over and over and over. They do not chase novelty. Automatic skills free mental energy. When basics are strong, advanced skills grow faster. Step 8. Use spaced repetition. Experts review at the right time. Not too soon, not too late. This strengthens memory. Short reviews, many times. This beats long study sessions. Step 9. Track progress simply. Experts measure progress. They keep it simple. A checklist, a notebook.
Visible progress builds motivation. If you cannot see progress, you lose energy. Step 10. Rest and recovery. Learning needs rest. Sleep builds memory. Experts respect rest. They do not burn out. They train smart. A real example. Learning English. Let us make this real. An expert learner of English does not study everything. They choose one focus. Listening. They listen every day. For 15 minutes. They repeat sentences. They copy sounds. They speak aloud. They track improvement. Slow but steady. After months, fluency appears. Another example. Learning a skill at work. Experts identify the core skill. They practice it daily, in small pieces. They ask for feedback. They improve faster than others. Not because they are smarter, because they are systematic. Why this system works? This system respects the brain. It avoids overload. It builds habits. It creates momentum. Learning becomes part of life, not a burden. The role of patience. Experts are patient. They understand one truth. Growth is invisible at first. You plant seeds. You water them. Nothing happens. Then one day, everything changes. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not compare yourself. Do not rush. Do not skip basics. Stay in your lane. When progress feels slow, this is normal. Experts continue anyway. They trust the system. Emotion follows action. Summary of Part 2. Experts follow a clear system. Daily practice, focused sessions, active learning. This system works for anyone. In the next part, you will learn how to stay consistent for life, how to avoid quitting, how to turn learning into your identity. Part 3. How to stay consistent and win for life. Many people start strong. Few people finish. The difference is not talent. It is consistency. Experts are not perfect. They are consistent. This part will show you how experts stay consistent. For months, for years, for life. Consistency is a skill. Most people think consistency is personality. It is not. Consistency is a skill, and skills can be trained. Experts design their environment. They do not rely on willpower. Willpower is weak. Systems are strong. Make learning easy. Experts reduce friction. Books are ready. Tools are prepared.
The learning space is clean. No thinking, just action.
When learning is easy, you start more often. Remove decision fatigue. Experts decide once. Same time, same routine. Fewer choices, more energy. Attach learning to identity. This is powerful. Experts say, I am a learner. I am improving every day. Identity shapes behavior. You protect what you are. Focus on becoming, not achieving. Goals end. Identity stays. Experts care more about who they become. Results come naturally. Use the 2-day rule. Experts allow rest, but never 2 days in a row. 1 bad day is normal. 2 bad days create a habit. This rule saves progress. Turn failure into feedback. Experts do not fear failure. Failure is data. They ask, what went wrong? What can I adjust? Then they continue. Control your inner voice. The voice in your head matters. Experts speak kindly to themselves. No insults, no shame. Only guidance. Protect long-term vision. Experts remember why they started. They visualize the future. This fuels patience. Use simple rewards. Small rewards reinforce habits. A break, a walk, a smile. Reward effort, not outcome. Build a learning lifestyle. Experts integrate learning into life. Podcasts while walking, practice during breaks. Learning becomes natural. The compound effect. Small actions every day. This creates massive change. You do not feel it daily, but years reveal the power. When you feel like quitting, this moment is critical. Experts pause, not quit. They reduce effort, not stop. Even 1 minute counts. The ultimate secret. Experts enjoy the process. They find meaning in effort. Joy sustains consistency. Your new path. You now know the method. You do not need perfection. You need persistence. One system, one skill, every day. Final message. You are not behind. You are just starting. Learning is freedom. You can change your life, one small step at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Self-Study Every Day for more helpful lessons. Leave a comment and tell me what you want to learn next.